Hi, my name's Attorney Nate DeLadurantey. I'm a lawyer here in Waukesha, Wisconsin. I want to take a few minutes to talk to you about small claims court, what it is, how it works, what to expect, and all that good stuff. So we'll jump right in. Small claims court in Wisconsin is a specific type of court. There's only certain cases that get brought there or that must be brought there. I'm going to review some of the common ones with you. One are what we call in legal jargon replevins, also known as repossessions. So for example, vehicles or other collateral that's subject to a lien from a loan that you made. This is what we commonly call car loans or vehicle loans. Could also be vehicle title loans or things of that nature. The other category is evictions. If you're behind on your rent to your landlord or there are other issues, this is the court that'll take place in. Another very common one are contract claims. In other words, some company or person is suing you saying you owe them money on a debt. And that's for claims $10,000 or less. Tort claims, or sometimes we call personal injury claims, those are limited in small claims court to $5,000 or less. If someone's suing you for more money than these dollar amounts, they're going to proceed in what we call general civil court, or sometimes called large claims. Process-wise, the first step is the person files or the company files a summons and complaint. Then a process server, sometimes it's the sheriff, comes over to your house and knocks on your door and then hands it to you, meaning you've been served. That summons and complaint will have what we call a return date. It'll indicate whether you need to file a written answer, show up in court, or one of the two of those. Whatever you do, don't miss those deadlines. They're important. If you fail to appear or fail to file an answer, the creditor can receive something called a default judgment. It's kind of like an automatic win, meaning that the court will enter judgment stating that you owe the money, and your window of time may be completely shut or closed on fighting that. So pay attention. Next up, if you do contest the debt or contest the repossession or contest the eviction, there'll be what we call a trial date. This is where the parties show up at a later point in time with their evidence to show why they should win or why the other side should lose. And so there's lots of details that go into that and making sure you have witnesses and documents there. Far too much to cover in a video, but suffice it to say it's very important. Last but not least, if you lose the case, each side has the right to a de novo appeal. In other words, they have the ability to go and take the case not in front of a court commissioner, but in front of a judge. Now, caveat, if your first trial is in front of a judge, there's no right to an appeal. So you'll need to keep an eye out on that in your particular case. If you've got questions about a small claims case or you want to discuss what representation would look like, you're welcome to schedule an appointment. You can do that online on our website, or you can email or call my paralegal, Ethan Webb, and I have his contact information there for you. Good luck. I wish you all the best and take care.